Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna create a really easy cupcake design. First of all, I'm going to apply one coat of black canvas on all 5 nails. I'm going to do just one coat to keep a very natural look on those nails. And cure for 30 seconds. So to create the cupcake wrapper, I'm gonna use Snow White and Bear Hug. I'm gonna fill color. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm creating the top of the wrapper. And we're going to flash cure for 10 seconds. So now I'm going to draw some lines to add some design of the cupcake. And flash cure for 10 seconds. With the dotting tool, I'm gonna use the color Snow White and create the cream of the cupcake. And flash cure for 10 seconds. To add some color to the cupcake, I'm using strawberry cream and Lilac Breeze and add on top of the cream. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna add some lines with the white color to give some details to the cream. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm adding some dots, some pink dots on the lilac cupcake and some lilac dots on my pink cupcake. And flash cure for 10 seconds. To add some glitter, I'm gonna use Imperio from the glitter collection and place near the cuticle area and drag with the Ombre Brush. And cure for 30 seconds. With the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm gonna stick a small red crystal to make like a cherry. And cure for 10 seconds. To seal in the design, apply a thin layer of Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. To finish, I apply a cuticle oil with the scent vanilla. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box below. Until next time, au revoir!